Hey guys, in today's video, we'll just be looking at our trade manager or trade assistant that we have developed here at uGenesys. We call this trade assistant market keys because we believe that it's the keys to the financial market. All right. So it's very simple. This trade manager, it allows you to manage your trades by automatically moving stop loss to break even. You can choose to close 50%. You can choose to close all the trades in profit. You can choose to close all your lost trades, or you can choose to close all your trades. All right, so this is the execution panel of the trade assistant. All right, so how it works is very simple. It will look at what your balance is. So for example, right now, my balance here is 115,000 US dollars, right? And if I want to use a stop loss of 50%, and let's say I want to risk 10% of my account. So let's see what it gives me. All right, so this is the lot size that I should be using. So I should be using 30 lots with a stop loss of 50 pips. Okay, so it makes your day a lot easier, guys, because it helps you to automatically calculate all of this stuff. All right, so this is the execution panel, so that's fine. Now let's look at the management panel. The management panel is where you have your trailing stop, right? And yeah, you can choose to use this or not, because let's be honest, sometimes you have to do something, you have to leave your trades, right? But yeah, you don't want to just get up and leave them like that. You want to be able to manage them. So this is our trailing stop loss system. You can edit this however you want. This little panel right here, it shows you your current balance, your equity, and your drawdown. Well, it's not going to show drawdown right now because the Forex market is closed. It's basically Friday. It's the end of the trading week. So yeah, so that's why this hasn't updated as yet. But under management, this is what you'll see. All right. Now, the most important feature is under the equity protector tab. So this is where we have our daily equity protector and our weekly equity protector. So this basically stops you from trading when you hit a certain profit or you hit a certain loss. So if I say I want to stop trading for the day, if I hit a $500 profit, that means whenever a trade closes and it's a $500 profit or more, the robot, this market keys, will prevent me from doing any more trades for that day. So I won't be able to make any more trades. I won't be able to open any more trades. And that's good. Next is loss. So if I say, if I lose $600 today, yeah, I don't want to be able to trade anymore. All right. Now, yeah, this is what it does. If you have a loss that's more than $600, it will prevent you from opening any more trades. All right. This is very important for you if you are doing a prop firm challenge like FTMO or My Forex Funds or Fivers or any of those. All right. Because it will, yeah, prevent you from losing. Because I believe that, for example, FTMO, you can't lose more than 5% per day. So what you should do is just like put in a number here, like maybe, I don't know, whatever that number is at 4% or 5%, you put it here and it prevents you. Once you hit that 4% loss or that 5% loss, it prevents you from trading again. All right. So this is something that everybody should have in their arsenal, and you can do it for your weekly equity protector as well. All right, guys, I put the link to this tool in the description of this video so you can check it out. All right, guys, take care.